Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm going down to Denver with my dad and my brothers. I'm at the bank right now. Got to get out some money. But as you might have seen in one of my other vlogs the other day, I went there with my dad, or I went there with my mom, my stepdad, and my brothers for like an afternoon. We went down to Casa Bonita. We went to the History Museum. Well, today we're going down there and we're going to the Museum of Nature and Science, and then tomorrow I think we're going to the zoo. But today's vlog will be all about the Museum of Nature and Science. I'm looking forward to it. Let's see what we got down there. All right, the bank was successful. Now I'm off to go meet my dad and my brothers. Come and play with us, Danny. If you've never seen The Shining, you probably don't know what just happened.
Come and play with us, Danny.
Anyway, I'm in a hotel right now. My family, or my dad and my brothers and I are in this hotel in Denver. Like I said, as you saw, you just saw that museum footage. Now we came here, and tomorrow, we're going to the zoo. But yeah, this is the hotel. This is pretty much just the hallway. I figured I'd just do a quick little vlog just to kind of talk real fast, since I didn't do any talking. I didn't really do a whole lot at the museum. So yeah, that's that. Anyway, I don't think I'm gonna be doing any other video at the hotel or anything like that, at the game that I'm going to tonight. So I will probably see you guys at the zoo tomorrow for a fun little vlog.